Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the unit 4 operator in Java. In this video we discuss about the expression and different type of Java expression or mathematical expression. So let's start the video. So firstly we understand what is expression. Expression is a set of variable, constant or arithmetic operator. Set of variable, constant and arithmetic operator. Variable, that means any variable store a value. This is a constant, this is a constant, this is a variable. So combination of constant, variable and operator. Combination of constant, variable and operator. Operator, that means plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are the operator. This is the called expression. Here is the example of expression. It is a variable a and b. These are the variable. 8, here 8 is a constant and multiply sign and plus sign, these are the operator. So this is the example of expression because it's the combination of variable, constant or operator. A into b plus 8, this is the expression. This is called expression. So the next expression is c divided by d plus c minus 6 plus d. That means here c and d is a variable. C and d is a variable. 6 is a constant. Here is a different type of operator is divide, plus, minus. These are the operator. So this is called expression. This is a expression. So next we discuss about the difference between the mathematical expression and the Java expression. In the math subject we use the expression to solve any problem, but in a Java this expression is different with the math expression. Here is one example, 22 by 7 r square. This is the mathematical expression. This is the mathematical expression. In mathematics we write this expression, but in the form of Java or Java programming language we doesn't use this type of expression. We have to write like this. 22, this is a divide sign. In a Java we use a that slash. For a division you use a slash sign. Then 7, here after this there is a into sign. There is a into sign, so we have to put into sign. And r square. R square, that means r written in 2 times, so r into r. This is the Java expression. So next question is a plus b whole square upon a minus b. That means a plus b whole square, a plus b into 2 times. A plus b whole square, that means a or b written into 2 times. So we have to write a plus b into a plus b, that is divide sign. So for divide we use a slash, then a minus b. So a minus b. This is the Java expression for this mathematical expression. For the 10th or 9th class, this is a 2 marks question. In our exam there is a question like that. Write the Java expression for this. We have to write this Java expression. This is a mathematical form. This is in mathematical form. We have to write in Java expression. Java expression, and how we can write in a programming language. So this is the 5. So we have to write 5. After 5 there is a into sign. So we have to write into x cube. X cube, that means x into x into x. Here is a x cube, that means x in 3 times. After that plus 2. After 2 there is one multiplication sign, so we have to put multiply, then y, again put multiply, then x plus y. This is the Java expression. Next question is x is equal to 2 by 3 a square plus 0.05 by b plus c cube. So we have to write x is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Use a bracket. There is a into. It is compulsory to write the into sign as asterisk. Don't use this sign for multiply. This is a wrong method. This is a wrong in Java programming language. We use a asterisk sign. This is a right. This is a right. This is the right sign for multiplication. A square, that means A into A plus 0.05, 0.05 divide B plus C cube, that means C into C. Next question is that m is equal to a square plus b square divided by a plus b. That means m is equal to a square, that means a into a plus b square, that means b into b, divide a plus b, so a plus b. Next, s is equal to ut plus half at square. These are the one more mathematical expression, so we have to write like this. S is equal to, firstly we have to write u, after that t. Before the t and after u there is a one multiplication sign, u into t, so we have to put into sign, then t plus half, that means 1 by 2 in bracket, again here is a 1 into sign, so put into, after that the a, after a there is again one multiply sign, then t square, that means t into t. These are the expression. Next question is that f is equal to uv divided by u plus v. So we have to write f is equal to u into v divided by u plus v, u plus v. So the next question is that related to the again Java expression. The next question is d is equal to a square, that means a into a, again b square, that means b written into 2 times, b into b plus 2, after the 2 there is one multiplication sign, again we have to put into a, again into b. So next question is y is equal to 2, so we put 2, after the 2 there is one again multiply sign, in bracket L into b, so we have to write L into b plus b into h, again then L into h, this is the answer. Next one is p is equal to a by b square, that means b into b plus b by a square, that means b by a square, a into a. Next one is z is equal to x cube, that means x into x plus y cube, that means y into y minus, there is again y, divided by z cube, that means we have to write z into 3 times. This is the Java expression of this expression. In the next video, we will discuss about the operator and the different type of operator. For watch my next video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.